Hello friends, welcome again. In this particular video, we are going to learn about the new chapter Locomotion and Movement, which is chapter number 20 in your NCERT syllabus. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, we will see the difference between locomotion and movement here. What is movement? Movement is the basic feature of living organisms so that they can move their body parts like organs or some cells will be moving there. Okay, so this is movement. It is just a basic feature. If I'm moving my hands like this, I'm doing movement. Okay, but what is locomotion? Locomotion is something else. Locomotion means it is the displacement of organism. Displacement of organism from one place to another place. I am doing movement like this, and if I am changing my location, I am changing my locus. That is, I am doing locomotion. Okay, so you have to remember one thing: all locomotion is movement, but all movements are not locomotion. So this is the locomotion and movement. What are the things which help us to move our body parts? Right. So main thing is you have to remember the muscles are playing very vital role in the movement and locomotion also. But there are some organisms who do not have muscles. How they move? So organisms like unicellular organisms like amoeba, amoeba do amoeboid movement. So they have pseudopodia, which means they are false leg. So they will extend their cytoplasm like this and squeeze the cytoplasm from behind, so to go forward. So this is the amoeboid movement. It can be done by organisms some human cells are also doing this, like macrophages. Some leukocytes are doing this. So these are the things. These are the cells who are doing amoeboid movement. Then there are second type of movement, that is ciliary movement. So some organisms has cilia, small hair-like structures, so that they can move their cell or so that they can move the food inside the cell. So they will have cytopharynx, and with the help of cilia, they will move the food so that it go into the cytopharynx and go inside the organism. So this is ciliary movement. It can be done by some organisms like paramecium, or in humans there are some tracts where cilia are present and they are doing ciliary movements like trachea in your respiratory system. Behind the sternum, there is a pipe called trachea, also called as windpipe. It has a cilia into it, so that dust particles can be caught in those cilia, so they should not get in your respiratory tract. Then there are some tract in your female reproductive tract like oviduct. Oviduct has cilia, so that ovum, when ovum is coming from ovary, it should be transferred to the uterus with the help of this cilia, because ovum is a non-motile or non-motile gamete. So that's why it requires some other extra support for the movement. So oviduct and trachea you have to remember for ciliary movement, and then there are movement like your muscular. Your body has so many muscles, and the study of muscles we are going to do in this chapter. So these muscles are going to help you to move your body part. Like there are some smooth muscles, there are some skeletal muscles, there are cardiac muscles, These muscles are helping you for the movement. Smooth muscles present in your alimentary canal, your respiratory tract, your excretory tract, right? Skeletal muscles are the muscles. So smooth muscles are helping you in the alimentary canal like this. They will help in the peristalsis process. They will move like this, contract and relax, so that your food should be passed from the alimentary canal. Then second thing, the skeletal muscles or striatal muscles, they are attached with your the bones, so that when they will contract and relax, your bones will move and skeleton will move. So skeletal muscles are there. Then cardiac muscles, muscles of the heart, they are going to help your, they are present in your walls of the heart, and they will help your heart to contract and relax so that it can pump the blood. So this is, guys, this is the movement and locomotion introduction for you. In this chapter we are going to study about the muscles, muscle cells, muscle fibrils. Then we are going to study how muscle contract and relax. Then we will study the skeletal system. All the things are coming soon. Please hit the like button if you like my video, and share it with your friends who are preparing for the same exam NEET. Thank you so much.